Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the Lenovo ThinkCentre Neo 3024 Gen 1 AIO, specifically the 2022 model. Now, this particular unit comes with an interesting twist. It's described as new, still in its original packaging, but the seller has opened it up to perform some significant upgrades to the internal components. First off, the display is a 23.8-inch screen with a crisp 1920 by 1080 Full HD resolution. It's a non-touch display, providing clear visuals, which is great for productivity tasks. Under the hood is where this machine really shines, especially with those upgrades. It's powered by a 12th generation Intel Core i3-1220p processor. Don't let the i3 fool you. This chip boasts 10 cores running up to 4.40 GHz, making it quite capable for handling multiple applications simultaneously. Complementing the processor is a massive 64 GB of DDR4 RAM running at 3,200 MHz. This is a huge amount of memory, far more than you typically find in this class of machine, ensuring incredibly smooth multitasking even with dozens of browser tabs open. For storage, it features a speedy 1 TB PCIe NVMe M.2 solid-state drive. This means lightning-fast boot times, quick data transfers, and plenty of space for all your files and programs. For graphics, it uses the integrated graphics built into the Core i3 processor. This system utilizes the abundant 64 GB of RAM for its graphics memory. While not designed for demanding gaming or heavy video editing, it's perfectly adequate for everyday business applications and media consumption. It comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro. This is Microsoft's latest operating system, and the Pro version includes useful features for business environments like BitLocker encryption and Active Directory support, which would normally be an extra cost. If needed, there's also an easy option to downgrade to Windows 10. Rounding out the package, the AIO has integrated Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for easy connectivity. It also includes a built-in webcam, and importantly, a keyboard and mouse are provided right in the box, so you're ready to go straight away. Overall, with its powerful upgraded internals, large display, and Windows 11 Pro, this Lenovo ThinkCentre Neo 3024 is positioned as a very capable machine, particularly well-suited for business use where multitasking and data handling are key.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.